What is up, YouTube? It has been a hot minute since I have made a video. Probably like 4 months or something like that, somewhere along those lines, I don't know. Been stuck in quarantine, switched jobs, started working on other things. I've got an outdoor company now, Artemis Outdoor Equipment. I've got a vending company with my wife. We got my photography business I've been working really hard on, which you can see my photography, more like cars and stuff like that, more of detailed lifestyle work over here at Andrew Longren. That's it, nothing special. Oh, got a TikTok like everybody else. Started working really hard on that. Kind of blew up a little bit. Y'all can come follow me at Funny Fit. That's it. Yes, I was wearing a pink bunny suit. Today is Saturday, May 9th. We are going to be fishing Sheldon Reservoir, one of my favorite little bass spots. Lots of alligators, but a lot of potential for really big bass. Today is going to be brought to you by Bionic Fishing. Some guys I met through TikTok. They're out of Oklahoma City. Check them out. I'll leave a link to their website and their Instagram down below. Making some great baits. Today I'm going to be throwing their buzz bait, and I'll be giving a review along with that as well inside the video, so y'all stay tuned for that. Be sure to check out my outdoor company, Artemis Outdoor Equipment. Our main product right now is our 15-liter dry bag we have with internal pockets. At Artemis, a portion of our proceeds goes back to national wildlife and forest conservation. If you're an outdoorsman, you want to preserve that. I know y'all feel that. Blech. Blech. Okay. We're going to be fishing. No, it's not. I have not made a video in this long. Guys, check out my outdoor company down below. Check out Bionic Fishing. Let's get on the water. I got more videos on the way, and I promise I'll get better. Right now, I am throwing a black buzzbait by Bionic Fishing. I really like this. It's actually really easy to cast and doesn't hang with a lot of air time. Very nice design. Right now, early in the morning, I'm just trying to cover a bunch of ground. And as I say that, I catch me one. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Check that out. Good bite this morning. So the wind started to really pick up, but we all know just because conditions change doesn't mean quit fishing. I've been fishing the lily pad, trying to cover some ground with this buzz bait. Had 2 other bites, pretty sure they were gar. So slowly made my way over here to these barrier islands. Fish the backside. It's a little bit deeper water, a little more cover. Gonna break out the jig and the stick bait, slow down, and hopefully catch something over here. A lot of people out here today. A lot of people. Yeah, buddy. I gotta get better with the camera angles. Whew, nice little fish. All been pretty small, but oh well. Do it for the gram. And go. Always kiss my fish for good luck. Normally, on all my rods and reels, for years I have fished Berkeley big game, but I had a spool of 15-pound Suffolks in my garage, and honestly guys, this is probably some of the best line I've ever put on. It does not have a whole lot of memory, so immediately after spooling my rod I was able to start casting and not have to worry about anything. It's a really smooth cast too, very, very, very smooth. Like I said, it doesn't have a whole lot of memory, so even when I cast, like, the line lays really flat, which is really nice. I mean, I don't have to do a whole lot of breaking in. Get tired. That's what I get for sleeping 4 hours and getting up and going fishing. But you gotta make do with what you make do. Stopped and did some product photography. Quite a few gators out here too, so I took a little bit of nature photography, as shown in the clips following. Check out this iPhone footage I got because I couldn't get to my camera quick enough, so take a look at this. Guys, I have never, ever, oh my God, is he turning towards me? Oh my God, this is insane. This is a big mother effer. Holy crap. So they all know that is a sign of aggression. He is not happy about me being here. Look at that mess. What? That's a big gator. Yeah, and I have never seen them do that before. They typically go underwater and take off, but it is mating season. They are getting a little more aggressive, and when they start acting like that, it's time to stay away. Don't mess with them. Go the other direction, because they are wild animals and they are very, very unpredictable. All right, that's a little bass. Ready for this? Yeah, buddy. Number 4. Man, they were right up on that cover too. Dream Bug Cinco. So they're not very big, but man, it's a lot of fun.